Hi there. Today we will set up file sharing between two Macs under the same network. In my end, I have iMac running Mojave and MacBook Pro running Big Sur. We will be turning on file sharing on MacBook Pro and access it from the iMac. At the end of this video, I will show you how you can access the shared folder from a Windows machine. I will test it with Windows 10. Stay tuned for that. Now, as you see, we are on Big Sur. The first thing we need to do, we need to enable file sharing. We go to the Apple logo, System Preferences, and then we go down to here to sharing. Now I turn this one, okay, we turn it on, and here we need to specify what folder you can access it from the other Mac. If you make it as an administrator, you will be able to access everything on this Mac when you log in with the administrator user account, not only that folder. So we'll test it with a folder in here. So if we need to click on the plus sign to add the folder. From here I have this screen folder. This is the folder, the one we would be testing to access it from my iMac. So we go on the desktop, we see in here this screen, and we add it in here. Now here's the user with what privilege they can access it. Like this one, I set it up for no access. I don't want anyone to access that file. Staff in here, you can make it. I only recommend to give read and write for the users, the one you want to give, and read only if you want them to access it without editing anything. Now we have this unknown user. So as you see, it's write only Dropbox. I don't want this unknown user to be here. So to do that, we want to remove it completely. Okay, so this is how you can remove the user account in here. And this is another account I have in here. It's a read only. I can make it read and write. And to do that. So that's the user account. And now we will go to the iMac and access this screen folder. See there. Now I'm on the iMac. So as you see, so the first thing we will do, we will go to Finder and we go to Network. Now you can see in here my MacBook Pro. We click on it and then connect as. Now, so I can connect with any user account. I have it listed on under screen sharing. So in this case, we will be using Tech Magnet, and here's the screen, and that's the folder. As you see in here, you can see even my external devices, because that user is an administrator user. If it's a standard user, you won't be able, you just only can see the screen and the folder, the home folder for that user. Okay, so if we said you have a Windows machine, you have a PC and you want to access this shared folder or your account in here, so we go in options and we need to enable which account. So we click on this one. It's going to ask you for the password for this account. And you hit done. And in here, you will need this SMP. And then you just type it on File Explorer within Windows. Okay, so here we are on Windows machine, Windows 10. So we need to go to the File Explorer, and then we go down to Networks. Now in here it's gonna start showing. Here's my MacBook Pro. Okay, so here it's asking us, so we'll do tech magnet and then password. Cannot see the keyboard. And then we do, okay, here we are, and here, okay, here they are. So this is how you can access your Mac from Windows machine. You have to enable the SMB. Okay, if you have any question, just let me know in the comment below. And if you like this tutorial, please like and subscribe, and see you in the other one. Thank you and have a good day.